so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green, but summer's here, but also winter's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. From base to summit, gay and bright, there's only splendor for the sight. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh, Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Oh.
Cold.
It is cold. Alright, hello. We have been cleaning, we have made a tea, we have got an icy pole, and we are starting off day 6 of Vlogmas. Whew, I've been on, in the bright light, I've been on this Vlogmas game, I gotta tell you. I'm not even holding the stick, hold on. On this Vlogmas game, we're on it, the baby's in bed, and I am chilling, waiting for Dan. Oh, my arm hurts now. Can it go down here? Might as well. And no, you know what? I don't want to hold it right now. My arm hurts. Let me just. Okay. Alright, hopefully we're in the frame. There we go. Oh, I just got my tea. What else have we done today? No? We have just been chilling. Movie, no movie because the internet's not working, all that jazz. And yeah, hey? These little monkey bags have been nagging for food.
Oh, it's so cold.
For food all day. So
The
now have enough
icy
of
pole. The icy pole is so cold.
normally.
Oh, these are the Kinder ones.
Kinder Bad. I forgot what I was going to talk about. Anyway.
It's time to come home.
Okay. Yeah, I totally forgot that I hadn't even started the vlog, and I was looking at it going, I should do that. Anyway, clean the fridge. The fridge was disgusting and annoying, so I'm glad that's done. But now I'm going to do the freezer part and see what we've got in the freezer and see what needs to go and what we need. I want to do a workout really bad, but I want the women's bar from Dad's, because Dan's bar is like 20 kilos and I don't really want to start with that at the moment just because of my leg. So I want the 10 kilo bar from Dad, so we'll go over and see G-Dad soon. Yeah. Daddy will do a workout and then we'll go see G-Dad. What do you want for Christmas?
Dog dog.
We can't get a dog.
No, a toy dog.
Oh, okay, a toy. You have so many toy dogs.
No, a talking dog.
Tell the camera.
A talking
You
dog.
want a talking dog for Christmas? Okay.
Like Nanny has.
Oh, Nanny have one. Yeah. Okay.
My special toy.
Yeah.
And doesn't have more battery.
Ah, okay.
Because I'm playing with it for a while.
Ah, what else do you want?
A talking dinosaur too.
A talking dinosaur? Oh my goodness.
Like the other dinosaur.
Yeah.
I think I watched it.
Is there anything that's not a toy that you want? An Irish Any sports stuff? Sports games you want to play?
I want a black iPad like I do at Nanny's.
The black iPad is not sports games, and we have an iPad. Mummy wants badminton. Badminton? Badminton.
I want for Christmas.
You know what we should get this summer when the weather turns good and we can go to the beach? We need a kite. So I love
Kite?
kites. Yeah.
What kite?
A kite. You know the triangle thing that flies in the wind? And you hold onto the string?
Yeah.
Yeah. We need one of those. Sit down here and talk to them.
I want to buy the country to beach again, like that beach when I was a baby.
Well, that was in Queensland, so we're not going to Queensland anytime soon, sadly. Anyway, that's our update. We will catch you later on when we're doing something. Me and Zah were outside in the sun because the clouds decided they were not going to cover it while I was out there working. Anyway, I had been working with the Dremel on some stuff, just sort of getting rid of like the rough, really thick pieces that take a long time to sand with paper. And I haven't used the Dremel in so long, so it was daunting, but we got there. But like with the balls, they have like a really, really rough top edge that's just annoying on the paper, and then you don't want to like over sand. So I was just doing those, testing them out really. But that's what I've been doing. And Dan's home, he's doing a workout, and the baby's still in bed. I think she's talking to herself, I don't know, but she just likes her time out. She has her time out and readjusts herself for the day. So I'll get her out when she starts actually yelling at me. Alright, I'm gonna sit, drink my tea, figure out what I'm making into what, and I will catch you guys on the way to Dad's later on. So I'm using the hand drill at the moment because the Dremel doesn't fit a small enough drill piece, and Dad currently has the drill, so I'm stuck here with this hand one instead. Takes a bit longer than it should, but it's all I got. That is scary. Just a bit. So Dad is with Nan and Pop has gone to hospital because he's not great at all. And Dad's asked me to go fix up the dogs and feed them, and I thought I'd do a workout over there because that's where the bar is because I forgot to get it. Anyway, I'll do a workout over there when we get there. But yeah, I did some resoning stuff. I took some cute photos. I'll chuck some here. And yeah. Max? Max? Where's he? You're very asleep there, Doc. I thought you were dead for a minute. And hello, wolf. Hey, oi! Oi! Ah! Get the camera in, nut. Oh, I can't see what's happening. Hey? Hello. Oh. Alright, relax. In you go. Go on, in. Oh, look at that. What are those? Ah! Hello. Let's grab a choc chip one. Anyway, I have to get a drink. I need a drink, I'm dying right now. I was sitting in the craft room and the curtain radiates the heat so much that I'm like still like damn hot from sitting in front of it. Now I need a wee. God dang. Anyway, I need to get wood. Where are we? I have to go down there to get wood. Keep in mind, I haven't done a workout in forever, and it's not going to be anything special, just a little something would be good. Oh god. I got trackies on, this isn't good. Just try not to kill it, really. Sit! Didn't invite you. Okay, that is all this poor leg is going to handle, and I don't want to push it too hard because it's new. It's half ready and it's new. Hey creeps, you better be watching this because I am... I know. If you didn't watch this vlog, you won't have any idea where this is, so you better watch it. I'm at the front door and then I turn around and I'm at this thing and I'm gonna put it draw. And if you come home looking for it, I'm gonna tell you to watch my vlog. Okay, I'm back home. I am gonna go in, I'm gonna edit this vlog and get it up so that it's up in time. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did and you want to see more of our Vlogmases, I have them uploaded. And if you want to see more, subscribe and click the notification bell to be alarmed when they're up. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Bye!